Welcome back to mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you some more questions related to applications of trigonometry. So here we have one question. So let me read this question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Dear students, let me read this question one more time. See here, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points. The angle of elevation, they are given here. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. How many points we have here? 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. Okay, from one point it is 4 meter, another point it is 9 meter. Okay, from the base of a tower, from the base of the what? Tower. If suppose I am the tower and my base is what here? Downside. Okay, so here in the downside how many points they are given? 2 points. Okay, one from the what foot of the tower, one distance is 4 meter and one more is what here? 9 meter. Like this in the same straight line, in the what? Same straight line. So with it are complementary. You know it very well. In the 9th class you are studied something. Okay, complementary angles and supplementary angles. Supplementary means the sum of two angles is equal to how much? 180 degree, and complementary is nothing but what? Sum of two angles are nothing but what? 90 degree. Yes. So prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So what do we need to prove here? The height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay. Solution for this question. So it is a very easy question. So solution we have, just you can see here. Before going to the solution, we need to draw a figure. Okay. So how we can draw? See here, just okay. Let me take one tower. Tower is what here? A, B. This is what? One tower. I'll take A, B is the tower, and we have 2 points on the same straight line. Okay. So let me take, this is a 1, here 1 point. Okay, and I'll take one more point here. Okay, so this is my 1 point. A, B, I'll take this is C, I'll take this is what? D. I'll join here to here, and again from here to again it is here, isn't it? So they are given what here? The straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay, can it they are given here any angles? Not given. Okay, so they are not mentioned here particular angles like what? 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, not mentioned here any standard angles. So only they are given what here? Complementary, and complementary means we know it very well. Okay, what it is? We know it very well. It is sum of two angles are nothing but what? 90 degree. So I'll take this is what? Theta. So if I taken this is a theta, so what will be happens this angle? So this angle automatically happens what here? 90 minus of theta, isn't it? So how it is? Okay, so see how it is means, let me take this, let me show you how it is. So now if two angles C plus this D is equal to both are 90, isn't it? So if C we are taken theta means plus D we need. Okay, this is 90. So what is the D? D is automatically 90 minus of theta, isn't it? Sum of two angles is equal to what here? 90 degree. If theta we are taken C, just we are consider theta. So if we are taken theta, C is equal to theta angle. We don't know the exactly how much angle. Okay, theta angle. Then D we kept as it is, and this equal to 90. So what is the angle D? So automatically we will get what here? 90 minus of theta. You know it very well, isn't it? So A, B, C, D. So BC they are given. Okay, points are distance from this is BC. How much they are given? 4 meter, and this is total. So BD how much we have? It is 9 meter. So BD we have 9 meter, and BC we have what here? 4 meter. So now we can apply the what here? Proper trigonometric ratio to get the what or answer. So very first of all I'll apply here. So in triangle. So in which triangle? In a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. So I'll apply tan. Now if tan of, and how much angle we are taken? Theta. Tan of theta is equal to, it is opposite by base, or you can say adjacent. Opposite by base is nothing but what here we have? 4. Directly I'll write it is 4. Now this is what the equation number 1 I'll take. Okay, tan theta is equal to AB by 4 directly. Okay. Now again in triangle. So in a triangle, which one triangle ABD. Okay. So ABD. In this triangle, what we have again, I'll apply. It is tan of now 90 minus of theta. So this is equal to, again we have AB by, so again it is BD, AB by BD. So now see, so tan of 90 minus theta, already dear students we have studied complementary angles. Tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but what? Cot of theta. So AB as it is and BD we have 9. Okay, we know it very well. And cot theta is equal to what? AB by 9. So cot, how we can write? This implies, let me write here only. Okay, so we can write it is 1 by tan theta. Okay, we can write cot as what? 1 by tan. This is AB by 9. Okay, now this you can cross multiply, otherwise what is the value of tan theta? AB by 4, we can substitute here. So now this implies we have 1 divided by what is the value of tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but what? We can say it is AB by 4. Okay, so this equal to, again we have it is AB by 9. Okay, now we will get this one 4 by, it is AB. Now this becomes, it is AB by 9. So cross multiply these two things. So what will we get? It is AB square is equal to 36. AB square is equal to how much it is? 36. Now this implies we will get AB is equal to, it is square root of 36. Now we will get AB is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so we need to prove this one only and we are proved here. Okay, see here, they are not mentioned here particular angles and they are mentioned here only complementary angles. By taking this we are proved, and they told us to prove that what height of this tower AB is equal to how much? 6 meter, and we are proved here AB is equal to 6 meter. Okay, this concept is very important. Okay, if they are not given the two angles, means C plus D is equal to 90 we are taken. So one angle we are just consider as a theta. So theta plus of D is equal to 90 degrees. So one more angle we need. What we did means to get that angle we transfer the theta into this side. So minus theta. So D is equal to 90 minus of theta, and automatically we are taken what here? One triangle. After that we taken ABD, one more triangle, and we are just substituted all the values and we got our required answer. This is what the question, and we got here the answer, and I hope that you understood very well. Well students, now we have next question here. So the next question, from the top of a building 16 meter high, the elevation to the top of hill is 60 degree. The elevation to the top of hill is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of hill is 30 degree. Find height of the hill. We need to find here height of the hill. Okay, just they are given what here? One hill. Okay, from the top of the hill, and they are given one building. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation they are given 60 degree, and from the foot of the building to the hill, again the angle of depression they are given 30 degree, and we need to find here the height of the hill. Okay, this is very easy question. So solution for this, solution we have. So very first of all we need to draw the figure here. So first of all we need to draw one hill. Okay, so let me take, this is what? One hill. So it is A and this is what? B. This is one hill. Okay, again what we have here? One 16 meter high building. So 16 meter high building, I'll take here one building, and this is what? 16 meter high building. The elevation to the top of hill. Okay, this is the top of the hill. The elevation we need to draw here, and this is how much they are given? 60 degree. Okay, and the angle of depression to the foot. Okay, so from here to here. So the angle of depression to the what? Foot, how much they are given? It is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. Find the height of hill. Then we need to find the height of the what? Hill. So how much the height of the hill? Okay. So now let me take, this is A and we are taken this point is B. Let me take, this is C and this is D. This is E. Okay. So now A, B, C, D, E. So we have here two triangles, two right triangles. This is one and this is what? One more triangle. So we'll go with one by one. So let me take first triangle EDC. Okay. In triangle EDC. In this triangle EDC, we have 90 degree, we have, and this is what? ED is nothing but what? Beading, 16 meter high beading and C. So we'll apply the proper trigonometric ratio. Tan of, so this is 30 means this is also what? 30 degree. So tan of 30 degree is equal to, okay, it is ED by, again we have it is CD. So tan of 30 is nothing but what? 1 by root of 3 is equal to ED, already we have 16 meter, and CD we don't have, keep as it is. Now cross multiply. So CD is equal to 16 root of 3 meter. Okay. CD is equal to how much we got here? 16 root of 3 meter. So this is what? CD we got. Very easily see. They are given one beading, 60 meter high beading from this top of the beading to the what? Top of the hill is angle of elevation they are given 60 degree, and angle of depression from the what? Foot of this hill they are given what here? 30 degree. We are taken everything. Now we are taken the what? EDC, one triangle. So tan of 30 degree is equal to ED by CD. Okay. Tan of 30 means we know it very well. 1 by root 3 is equal to ED, already we have 16 and CD we don't have. That's why we kept CD as it is. Now cross multiplied CD, and this is what? 16 root of 3 meters. Now next we have one more triangle. In a triangle, see, in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, in this triangle ABE. So again we will be applied tan of 60 degree. Once we apply tan of 60 degree ABE, in this again it is AB by BE, AB by BE. Okay. So now just you can see here tan of 60, we know it very well, it is root of 3. AB you can keep as it is, and BE. Okay. But we can say here BE is equal to CD. What is the value of CD? 16 root of 3. Okay. Now this is root 3 is equal to, we can say it is AB by CD, it is what? 16 root of 3. Now again cross multiply. So this will be get what here? 16 into 3 is equal to, it is AB. Now 16 3s is 48 is equal to what? AB. Okay. So 6 3s are 18. So we'll get what here? 14. AB is equal to, we got 14. Once you got AB is equal to 14, but what we need? Height of the what? Hill. So BC is equal to what here? ED. So BC, sorry, it is okay. ED is equal to, we can say that what? BC, and this is what? 16. And we have AB is equal to how much? Already we have it is 48. So total AC, this is what? Height of the hill. Now this is AB plus of BC. Now AB we have 48 plus of again 16. So total it is 64 meter. So AC, the height of the hill, it is what? 64 meters. So dear students, this question is very important and very easy also. From the top of a building, this is, we are taken beading from this top of the building, the elevation to the top of hill. This is the top of the hill is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the foot of hill. Okay. So the angle of depression of the what? Foot of the hill. This is what? Foot of the hill is 30 degree. Find the height of the hill, and this is what AC is what our total hill. Okay, we are taken one by one triangle EDC, and we are apply the trigonometric ratio, and we have the what height of the building, and we don't have this, and we got this in the first thing. Okay, second thing, we are taken the triangle ABE. In that again we are applied the trigonometric ratio. Then once we applied the trigonometric ratio, just we are substituted all the values. We know that very well. CD is equal to B, that we are substituted, and tan of 60 degree means root 3, as it is we are written here AB by root 16 root of 3, and this is root to 3 into 3. Simply it is what 3 itself. 16 into 3 is we got 48, and once we got here AB, and we know that very well. So AB plus of BC, total it is what AC, and that we did AC is equal to 64 meter, and this is what total height of the hill. I hope you understood very well. Thank you.